What if you could make money at a M while you're asleep, while you're at the gym, while you're stuck in traffic? No boss, no clock in, no trading hours for dollars. That's exactly what digital products do. Digital product transactions surged 70% between 2022 and 2024. Right now, digital products represent a $2.5 trillion industry. And the best part? You don't need a warehouse. You don't need employees. You don't even need startup capital. You create it once, and it sells forever. WAPWAFR are the 5 digital products that are quietly making regular people serious passive income in 2026. Number 1. Online courses. This is the king of digital products. The online education market is projected to reach over $203 billion in 2025, with no signs of slowing down. By 2030, that number is expected to hit $840 billion. Think of Picasso, he's the thing. You don't need a PhD at EDDDHEHE. You don't need to be a celebrity. You need to know something that someone else wants to learn. Budgeting, fitness, Excel, video editing, cooking. People are paying $97, $197, even $497 for a course that took someone 2 weekends to build. Platforms like Teachable and Gumroad let you host and sell with zero tech skills. You film once, it sells on repeat. Number 2. Templates. Notion templates are one of the fastest moving digital products right now. Business owners use them to manage projects, track finances, and organize content. But it doesn't stop at Notion. Resume templates, budget spreadsheets, Instagram post templates, pitch deck designs. People are lazy. They don't want to build from scratch. They'll pay $15 to $50 for a template that saves them 3 hours. MediaUmitsi reported 95.5 million active buyers and $2.8 billion in revenue, and a massive chunk of that is digital templates. One well-designed template, listed correctly, can sell hundreds of times without you touching it again. Axia number 3. Ebooks. Ebooks have the best effort to income ratio of any digital product. You write it once, it downloads forever. No printing, no shipping, no inventory. Influence Ebooks and audiobooks market hit $26 billion in 2025. And you don't need a publisher. A 30-page ebook on how to pay off $10,000 in debt in 12 months, or 7 investing mistakes you're making in your 20s. That's real money if you put it in front of the right audience. Price it between $9 and $29. Post about it on social media and let it run. Axia number for Printables. This one shocks people. Simple PDF files, budget planners, daily habit trackers, wedding checklists, meal prep calendars are generating thousands of dollars a month for regular people on Etsy. For low-ticket digital downloads like printables and templates, Etsy's buyer intent and search volume can drive meaningful sales volume even without an existing audience. You don't need followers. You don't need a brand. You need a good design and the right keywords. Some sellers make $3,000 to $5,000 a month just from printables, and they haven't logged into Canva in 6 months. Insight Trader number 5. AI-powered digital products. This is the new frontier. AI-driven products are among the most profitable digital products to sell in 2026. We're talking custom chat-gapped prompt packs, AI workflow automation guides, done-for-you content systems, AI business templates. The demand is exploding because most people are overwhelmed by AI, and they'll pay someone who's already figured it out. WAP-no-code platforms are empowering creators to build more intuitive digital solutions faster and more affordably than ever before. You don't need to be an engineer. You need to understand the tools and package that knowledge into something sellable. Look, the biggest lie people believe is that passive income requires massive upfront investment. It doesn't. Digital products have low upfront and ongoing costs. No inventory, no manufacturing, no shipping. Once created, they can be sold repeatedly with minimal effort. Think of the people winning right now aren't smarter than you. They just started. They picked one product, built it, listed it, and let it work while they slept. So the question isn't, can you do this? The question is, which one are you starting with? Drop a comment below. Tell me which of these 5 you're going after. And if you want to know exactly how to launch your first digital product from zero, subscribe, because that video is coming next.